What's going on, Rock Band 4 fans? We just got a quick news update. So if you're on the Xbox One and you're still having issues accessing your past DLC entitlements, Harmonix today made available a form you guys can fill out that'll be sent to Microsoft, and hopefully this will speed things up and make it easier to get your past DLC. So I've put the link down below. You guys can go check it out. Harmonix has a list of the entitlements that are affected by this issue, so I've also put the forum post you guys can check out. Let me know your thoughts, and as always, guys, make sure you subscribe for all things Rock Band 4 related. Take care.